CES 2026. Right now I'm with Desmond, co-founder of Hexcal. What do you got here?
I'd like to introduce Hexcal, a young brand, workspace solutions. We have a bunch of products focusing on desk space. We provide premium desk products and accessories for work from home scenarios and the corporate workspace. So I'd like to introduce our flagship product called Hexcal Studio. So it's a workstation that powers up all of your devices on the desk, up to 14 devices. So with all the products plugged in, so you have a huge cable management problem. Here comes our cable management space. You can put all the cables and the power bricks inside, so your desk is gonna be really clean.
Yeah, that's awesome right there. I've seen a lot of different power solutions, I guess, and I've seen a bunch of different things where you put like a cable management under the desk. I've never seen anything on top of the desk where it's actually more intuitive, where you can get to it. Yeah. That makes total sense. I don't know why they haven't done that before.
We research how we work. So this product is invented during COVID, so everyone has to work from home.
Sure.
We really hate how people scroll down the desk space to do all the cable management work.
Right.
So that's why how we think, why not we build something that people can do the cable management more elegantly.
Yeah.
So here comes the Hexcal Studio.
Yeah, for sure. Now, elegant is the right word for it. Most of the time, if I see any kind of cable management that's on top of the box, it's going to be just a box. This looks like something that I want to have on my desk. This looks useful. We got some lighting on here, so there's a little light bar there on the bottom. We got all that, lot of room in there, way more than I would expect out of any normal cable management box. What are these buttons here? What am I looking at there?
So as you mentioned, the lighting system.
Yeah.
So the magic of this light is that it only lights up the space in front of you. So you will not see any glare or monitor reflections when you work at night. Right. So all these buttons is to control the light system, light temperature. So when you work at night, you can switch to a warmer color.
Yes.
And this controls the light intensity. We can also change the range of the light.
That's incredible. So I'm seeing a couple circles on here. Are these wireless power supplies?
Exactly. As I mentioned, provides power to 14 devices. We have 8 AC outlets at the back. These are 2 wireless charging position, and we have a bunch of USB charging on the side as well.
When can I get one?
You can order directly on our website, hexcal.com. We are actively looking for partners, resellers, distributors all around the world.
Okay, what do you expect for a retail price?
The retail price for this machine is $899 US dollars,
okay.
And we offer discounts from time to time. We are trying to get more models with a different price range and different colors.
That's been awesome. Thank you very much. That is incredible. I look forward to getting one of those.